Okay, this is working. Let me check the YouTube thing. It looks like we're live as well. Let me close this tab. Okay, I think we are live right now. Actually, let me do something else. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay. Whoa. Yo, what is up, Darko? How you doing, man? You got in here quick. What the hell? Did you get a notification or something like that? I'm dual booting. Yes. What are you doing? Arch? Or what are you going for? You said you were gonna do Arch, right? Fedora. Oh, great. Fedora. So, wait, but you wanted to do Arch in the first place, right? Or am I wrong? Let me move this back in here. Okay. Yeah, but you said it's not that beginner friendly. No, it is not. Most likely you are gonna have trouble installing things. Things aren't gonna break, and you're gonna have to, do a lot of different things. So it's not that beginner friendly. But yeah, Fedora is. So do you have any question or any problems so far? Like, are you installing it right now, or do you already have it installed? Oops. No, I am just starting. Okay, great. Well, if you have any problems or any doubts, you can ask me. Here it is. Okay. Boom. Preparing backups. Okay, and then pull request. Wait, I got a pull request. Report refactor. God damn. Alright, well, I would like to wait for this guy to get into the chat before I merge the pull request, but I'm gonna check it out. So, like, are you gonna? I'm assuming you're gonna follow a tutorial, right? Or are you just like doing it yourself? Okay, so you included the color here. I saw that before. It passed and verbose assert as well. But I guess, yeah, I'm following a tutorial by Tech Hut. Okay, is it Fedora, like exclusive for Fedora, or is it just like a general Linux installation tutorial? What are you doing right now? I don't know if you remember, but I started this project, which is a testing library in C. And yesterday, a guy came up, and we started discussing different things about the project. And this whole part of like reporting the results of a test were not that pretty, and so we talked about doing a refactor of this entire thing, like the whole report the results. And so he said, well, if you don't mind, I can do it. So he forked the repo. I think he forked it, and then I just seen that he made a pull request for this refactor, which is great. But I think I want to wait for him to get into the stream, maybe. If not, then maybe I'll just merge it. But there has to be from Nivo to main. Okay, but this is his branch. Okay. All right. This has 2 branches. Refactor. Okay. By the way, I'm using Windows 10, but I am guessing the process of dual booting is same in both 11 and 10. Yeah, it is. It's pretty much the same. I don't think anything changes between 10 and 11, because on this computer I also had 11 and 10 at some point, and I think the process is the exact same. So yeah, nothing changes between that. Okay, this is not important. I think I'm gonna test this thing. Can I do this? Or shall I? Okay. So I'm gonna have to do test main this. Okay, it just works. Great. This is CTest, and then I have all these different things. Time taken past. Wait, what? Okay. I will start now. Bye. I will come in mid. Okay, bro. Don't worry. Good luck with the installation. Hopefully, you can enjoy the greatness of Linux soon. Okay, so bin source CTest. Okay, so I'm guessing this is not the color, but this is the check. Okay. Okay, so you have a report assert passed and then a report assert failed. Great. And you have the message with all the different information. Okay. Then a report assert, you have this. So if passed, then you report this. Okay. And then what? Let me lower the music a little bit. I feel like it's too high. Ba 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 bum. Okay. Okay, so back to this. Then you have report as root int. Okay. Then you have the verbose assert. Right, and then you have report assert passed with the message. But okay, I guess that makes sense. So you only get the time taken and then you get the check. For some reason you don't always get the check, which is a bit weird. Let's see if this will fix it. No. So I don't know why it doesn't always apply. Crazy. Nope. Still has the same problem. What? Fedora 40 fine. I think I have a newer version actually. I think I have, yeah, 42. And I think there's a newer one even, Fedora 43, I think. Oh no, okay, still not released, but yeah. Fedora 42 is the latest one. And I would highly recommend for you to get the latest one for, you know, updates and drivers and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Anyways. Wait, they're gonna get rid of GNOME. And they're just gonna go exclusively to Wayland? Crazy. Alright. Well, I don't know how to fix this then. Is this what is this then? Where is this? Here it is. Okay. Hexadecimal escape sequences. Okay. And then what is it? Okay. But would it work with Ryzen 5? Because that's why I'm not able to install Windows 11. Wait, what? Why would it not work? Hi, yo, what is up, Nubas? How you doing, bro? I think it should work no matter what CPU you have, Dargo. I think that's one of the best things about Linux. It's very compatible. Windows 11 require new stuff. But what are you using now? Are you using Windows 11 or 10? Okay. Let me copy this then. 10. And are you looking to switch to 11, or why are you mentioning Windows 11? Source CTest.c. Whoops. Okay, there we go now. No, I'm not saying will Linux will be like that. No, I'm not just no, I'm not just asking will Linux will be like that. No, it won't. It won't. Like, do you mean if it'll ask you, or if it will complain if you have certain hardware? It won't. Yeah, no, you shouldn't worry about that. Linux does not give a fuck about what hardware you have. Okay, then I will be back. Okay, good luck, bro. You've been coding for more than half a year. Of course, don't stop, bro. I don't have any intentions to stop. In fact, I don't want to stop. I'm loving it more every day, which is great. Okay, so now this does that, which is great because now I have a cross and a that. Maybe I shouldn't do this, and I should, whoops, maybe like this and then this. Okay, that is better now. Okay, so you changed, you did 4 commits, right? Yeah. Wait, changes from 1 commit. Okay. So all changes. macOS directory store. Oh, so he did it in macOS. Okay. Display as results has a void. Sort int, you take long. Float takes long as well. Oh, long is the time taken, okay. I mean, it's not that it changes anything, it's still 0 milliseconds, but whatever. Okay, you have the current source location, great. Some test, all of this test just went to shit. Wait, what happened with it? Bim test may not see. Oh, it's still in here. Okay. Okay, yeah. He just got rid of those in the CTest.c file. Okay. Then you added the assert, the failed, assert footer, which is the time taken, and then the flush std out. Great. What else? You changed this. Right, I think I'm gonna okay, so then you change this to long. Okay. To make it compatible with the new argument. Then you just got rid of this. Which, yeah, does look like it. Okay. Okay. I am a serious man with serious goals. Disturb you since you asked. I notify you that streaming. Okay, back to here. There's a clock now. Wait, you got rid of this? Oh, sorry, no. Which, how did you manage that then? Source CTest.c. Okay, so how do you report? Okay, you have it now, and then you have it, yeah. So this is the same thing then. Bet. Well, I think I'm gonna then accept the no cap. No conflicts with base branch. Great. I've reviewed and test the and then test the new changes, and everything looks amazing. Thanks for taking the time to do this. Now it looks so much cleaner. Hoping in 10 minutes. I gotta eat dinner first. Bet. It looks so much clearer. Two participants. Wait, what? Nil object? A nil object. Bet. Can I do something? I mean, I don't want to, but okay, yeah. I'll just comment it and then I'll merge. Confirm merge. There we go. Okay, so now there should be a CD and CTest. Git status. Okay, then I can do git pull. There we go. And now if I do this, okay, here I have it. And then I'm gonna add a new thing in here, which is gonna be there we go. Okay. In addition to the check JUnit passes, now a class is displayed right next to the fail for, I don't know, a clear result. Boom. Okay. So this is done in here. Do I follow this guy? I don't. Boom. Insta follow. Okay, let me where's this? Here it is. Okay. Okay. Assert not same. What? Wouldn't this be the same of assert not equals? I think it is, but assert array equals 2 bytes are equal. Wait, is there a byte type in C? I don't think there is. No, there is no type called byte. What you want instead is unsigned char. Bet. Array equals. So I guess I will have to do the does not equal. Sort equals sort. Sort not equals int. So then I guess I will do. Okay, and then I can. So what is it then? So it was int, short, long, and then. Oops. Okay. I mean, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this. sort is going to use this. Fuck it. Yep. And then the same is going to happen with long. Fuck it. Okay, then I will have to do something for float as well. Sort not equals float. It stakes a float. Great way to spell the float. Float. And then not equals. Okay, then I have to take this. Sort not equals int. And then bool result equals expected is different than actually this. Okay. Bang, there we go. And then honestly, I'm just gonna copy this. Boom. Boom. Good point. Yep, I do have to take this line as well. And then this would be it. Except I have to say this is a float with assert not equals float. Okay, so I guess I could take equals total and then I could say assert not equals float. With the expected, I guess, do I have two floats? I do. A, B. Right. So the last one should be a fail. Okay, so I got the same thing. Right. So what else do I have to do? Int sort long float. I'm not gonna do a delta for not equals double. Okay, I guess I'll have to do and then a string and then the fucking arrays. Okay, whoa. Double. Double, and then here I have to change it to double. You're right, this has to be double. Sort not equals float. I can do unit. I can do this. And then this would be, can I do a long? Or does this just take int? Sorry, not equals. Sorry, long. But then yet again, if I do this, then. Oh shit, I do have to make a new one. Yep. Otherwise, it's not going to know the difference between. Yep. Fuck, man. It's not going to be able to report the exact type of the test. Okay. So int, and then we'll have something done as sort. So in this case, it's sort. Okay, so then I have to do a new one. This is for, okay, int. I have to do the same thing for, actually, there we go. Whoops. This is for short, and then I take this one, that one. There we go, and then I have to do, no, okay. Okay. So not equals long, not equals float, and then I guess not equals double yet again. This would be double. Okay, then I would have to do something for a chart. Put this together so it's way easier to tell them apart. So this would be a sort of boolean, which is not what I want. I have to do this. Okay. This would be with char, here char as well. Sorry. Do I have a report assert chart? I do, yeah. Great. Chart not equals chart. CTest. Okay. Okay. But what did I do? Not equals string. Did I do string or str? Str. Okay. Whoa. str. There we go. Go here. I don't know why it was there. Boom. Grab all this. Oh, chill out. I guess string. Great. And then okay. So now it would have to be assert not equals for array types, which I don't think I'm gonna do this. Assert not equals for all, I guess, basic types. There we go. So let me grab all this. Assert whatever that was. Sorry, yeah. Not equals int, not equals, not equals, not equals array int. Yeah, this is not done yet. Equals array int, not done yet as well. And equals short, and then not equals long. Okay. Sure, not equals double. Okay, this passed. Wait, where's my green check on this one? I don't understand anything. I don't know why it appears sometimes, then some other times it just doesn't. It's low-key weird as fuck. Okay. Okay. Do I have any other like weird thing? Hey you, yo, what is up, Eggy? How you doing, bro? Sort of same. So if I went in here, right? If I did, what if I do f plus 2? That would work as well. Alright. Anyways, there we go. Okay. What the actual fuck? Wait, who added the gitignore file? It has, how many commits does it have? Initial commit, and I only added, oh, okay, yeah, I think because I used a template of a gitignore, I think. Okay, there's a .exe, yeah, whatever. So I'm just gonna add a, whoops, CTest. Will this delete the node of, no it doesn't. If I come in here, this will still be, yeah. So git CTest. Shit, I just deleted it. Okay, so now if I do, right, then git commit removed CTest not drag it. Okay. And then origin here. Okay, so now there shouldn't be any CTest. Okay, there we go. And now if I say get status, okay, it doesn't track the CTest. Let me ask something. Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Okay, so I have this in here, and then yet again I would also like to give the user the opportunity to create its own test, whether that is a debug assert. I don't know if this is what I want to do, but yeah, sure. Okay, so test 3 there's nothing, test 2 there's nothing as well, and then there should be something like, yeah, run tests, which I don't know if this function is still in here. Sorry, in here, run test, yeah. Okay. For report assert passed, then I'm not gonna give a fuck about this. But if I have a test group, then a test group should also have a test result. Okay, no, a CTest has a test result. Huh, that's interesting. So I'm gonna structure this then.